All right, so we're going to be talking about elapsed time on a number line. Okay, so you are going to create a number line. All right. And let's say that an event started at 7:45 and it ended at 9:15. So what we are going to do is we're going to put the start time at the beginning of the number line. So 7:45, and then our end time is going to go obviously at the end of the number line. Okay? Now, we're going to do something called mountains, hills, and rocks. So that means mountains look like this on our number line, and that represents 1 hour. Hills look like this on our number line, and that represents 30 or 10 minutes, okay? And then you've got rocks, which are smaller units of time like 1 or 5 minutes, okay? So let's see. I know that from 7:45 to 9:15, I have space to do a mountain because it's more than an hour apart. So I'm going to go make my mountain. Remember, a mountain represents 1 hour. Now, 1 hour from 7:45 is going to be 8:45. So far, 1 hour has elapsed, okay? Now, when I'm looking here, I see that I still have more time available in order to get from 8:45 to 9:15. But I know that I don't have an hour because if it was an hour, that would put me all the way to 9:45, which would be past my end time. So I'm going to try doing, maybe I'll try 10 minutes. I'm going to do a hill that's 10 minutes. So 10 minutes from 8:45. So I need to think, what is 45 plus 10? That gets me to 8:55. Okay? So far, 1 hour and 10 minutes has passed, but we're not quite to 9:15 yet. Okay? So I'm going to think, 8:55 is really close to 9 o'clock. And 9 o'clock is a good time that will be easy for me to work with. Now, 8:55 is about 5 minutes away from 9 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5 minutes in this rock right here in order to get me to 9 o'clock. Okay? So far we have 1 hour and 10 and then 15 minutes. All right. Now, I need to go from 9 to 9:15. Now, since 9 o'clock is a really good number, that tells me that it's going to be easy for me to figure out how many minutes are until 9:15. So from 9 to 9:15 is 15 minutes. So I'm going to do a big old jump because my number line's a little too big. And that's going to be 15 minutes in order to get me to 9:15. Now, if I want to figure out how much time has elapsed, I have to add together all of this time. Now, I'm going to keep my hours separate, but then I need to add together my 10, my 5, and my 15. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm going to carry that 10 up there. And then 1, 2, 3. So in order to get from 7:45 to 9:15, 1 hour and 30 minutes elapsed. All right.